Hello everyone, I'm Sal Dalia for Adorama TV, and today we'll talk about the Oculus Quest 2. During quarantine in New York, I spent a good amount of time with the Oculus Quest. Both me and my family loved getting lost in amazing visual and sliced cubes while keeping the beat. When I heard that the Oculus 2 was coming out, I sold mine immediately to upgrade to the smaller, lighter, faster, and cheaper version of the Quest. This new Oculus headset truly arrives at the perfect time. It makes VR more fun and accessible than ever. It improves on its predecessor with a slicker, more intuitive design, has a faster performance and a better resolution, delivering the best VR experience you can have without needing a powerful PC or a tons of cables. Actually, it doesn't need cables at all. It's 10% lighter than the first generation Quest. You don't need to set up any cameras or external sensor. Everything you need is right on the headset. The setup process only takes a few minutes. You'll put the headset on, activate your account via the Oculus mobile app, establish your play area, and you're good to go. You'll find the power button on the right side, a volume rocker on the right underside, and on the left side you have USB-C port and headphone jack. The battery on this Oculus Quest is rated between 2 or 3 hours. I would say that it's 2 hours if you're playing games, 3 hours if you're watching videos. It's very compact at 7 inches long and it's only 1.1 pounds. There is a generous amount of foam padding which makes it very comfortable, but I still suggest to buy the Elite head strap because that makes it more comfortable, and especially if you want to play, for let's say more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you're not gonna get any sign on your forehead, and overall it's gonna be just a better experience. The headset has an adjustable elastic band, so make sure it's not too tight. You can now adjust the lens spacing with 3 different viewing settings by pinching them or spreading them out manually. So that was everything about design. Now let's talk about specs and what's new about this Quest 2. They upgraded the resolution, so now you can see that per eye is 1832 by 1920. The refresh rate is 90 Hz compared to the 72, so you have a slight gain in speed and smoothness. The battery life for the controller was upgraded. Of course, you still use AA batteries, and you still have the same storage size. It comes either with a 64 or the 256. The Oculus Quest 2 now requires to log in with the Facebook account, but if you still have the old Oculus account, you can log in on the device, download all your games, and migrate to the Facebook account. Overall, it's a good technical upgrade, but I'm also, happy with the design and the weight. I think the old Quest felt a little bit, front heavy. This one feels, actually very good and comfortable. And I'm still honestly enjoying all those amazing games that I used to play with the first Quest. Some of these games now, they look so vivid and the colors are so bold and so nice, like Pistol Whip. And I mean, you can literally fight Darth Vader. It doesn't get any better than that. So thank you for watching, subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll see you in VR.